Before the Burj Khalifa rose 828 meters, this was just sand.
Here's how we'll build the Burj Khalifa, step by step.
We start here with the foundation piles, tracing the load path up through the Y-shaped buttressed core.
Before drilling could begin, surveyors used advanced total stations to precisely mark the 194 foundations.
This piling rig drills deep into the desert floor. It's a core step in building the foundation for the world's tallest building, the Burj Khalifa.
To form the foundation of the Burj Khalifa, massive steel reinforcement cages are carefully lowered into the earth.
With the reinforcement cage in place, the specialized concrete mixture flows deep into the earth, securing the foundation of the future Burj Khalifa. Inside the Burj Khalifa, how the $1.5 billion world's tallest building was built. We'll place heavy rebar cages to connect these piles into a thick Burj Khalifa raft foundation. Here we see the core rebar installation for the raft foundation. Workers meticulously tie the dense steel mesh.
The foundation pour begins. A fleet of trucks delivers the massive amount of concrete needed to secure the Burj Khalifa's base deep into the earth.
High-strength concrete flows rapidly and teams work tirelessly.
With the foundation set, the crucial task of assembling the central core begins, utilizing a specialized slip-form technique. Using a system called slip-form, the core walls of the Burj Khalifa rise rapidly. Fresh concrete is poured continuously as the formwork jacks upwards. Using a sophisticated slip-form system, the core structures climb rapidly, with cranes continuously lifting materials to the active decks. This high-pressure concrete pump station is the heart of the operation, feeding specialized high-strength concrete up the tower. The concrete journey culminates here, as the mix is guided into the formwork and compacted, ensuring the stability of the core structure. The Burj Khalifa, how the $1.5 billion world's tallest building was built. The key innovation lies in these heavy mechanical levels. They incorporate massive steel outriggers that stiffen the structure.
In the off-site fabrication workshop, workers meticulously assemble the aluminum and glass curtain wall panels,
And each finished panel, meticulously checked, is now ready for the journey from the factory floor to the towering height of the Burj Khalifa.
All right, load 116, bring it down slow. Watch the ropes, clear the left side. Setting down now, secure the panel.
With the sling secured, the delicate process of lifting the massive glass panels begins, a critical step in the tower's construction.
the installation of the exterior cladding begins, a crucial step in the $1.5 billion project.
All right, bring her down. Watch the brackets on your side. Holding steady. Looks aligned. Set it.
The exterior transformation was rapid. Piece by piece, the shimmering glass curtain wall complete. The massive task of installing the mechanical, electrical, and plumbing systems begins deep inside the tower. This is the central nervous system of the building, where the high-speed elevator tracks are bolted into place with absolute precision. To move millions of people annually, the Burj Khalifa relies on these massive hoisting machines, capable of speeds exceeding 10 meters per second. With the internal systems finalized, work began on the structure's pinnacle. The prefabricated steel sections await assembly high above the city.
The Burj Khalifa spire, the culmination of years of planning, begins its ascent to the crown.
At nearly half a mile high, the team secures the first segment of the spire, a critical milestone in the tower's construction. Built at an estimated cost of $1.5 billion, the final spire segments lock into place, completing the world's tallest building.
With the exterior structure complete, work began on the interior spaces. crews moved in to frame out what would become.
Inside the Burj Khalifa, how the $1.5 billion world's tallest building was built. The luxury finishing phase brought the vision to life. Workers meticulously installed the marble flooring.
The final mechanical, electrical, and plumbing stage is critical. Here, workers meticulously installed it.
The residential fit-out demanded precision. Crews meticulously installed custom cabinets and luxury fixtures. As work on the observation deck neared completion, specialized teams moved in to install the massive glass panels and metal
Control room to floor teams. Fire alarm test sequence initiated. Confirming activation now.
Attention. Fire system test sequence initiated on this floor.
Control room, test successful. Requesting system reset. Security to maintenance. Confirm access clear for deployment.
Confirmed. Emergency stops checked. Initiating descent now.
As the tower neared completion, the massive effort shifted to the surrounding plaza. Inside the Burj Khalifa, how the $1.5 billion world's tallest building was built.
Let's check the panel. Access is clear.
And the lighting controls are operational. We can sign off on this section.
Testing. Welcome everyone to the grand opening of the Burj Khalifa.
Inside the Burj Khalifa, how the $1.5 billion world's tallest building was built.
After years of construction and a spectacular opening, the $1.5 billion.
Costing over $1.5 billion, the construction of this tower pushed the boundaries of engineering, utilizing.
The journey from foundations to spire cost an astonishing $1.5 billion.
Even years after its completion, the upkeep of this architectural marvel is a continuous, monumental effort. Burj Khalifa, how the $1.5 billion world's tallest building was built.
From foundations 50 meters deep to a spire half a mile in the sky.
From concept to reality, the Burj Khalifa stands as a testament to engineering prowess, costing an estimated $1.5 billion.
Inside the Burj Khalifa, how the $1.5 billion world's tallest building was built.
The Burj Khalifa stands at an astonishing 828 meters with over 160 floors. Its construction.
It took years of planning, thousands of workers, and incredible engineering.
Rising over half a mile into the sky, the Burj Khalifa pushed the boundaries of engineering. This is the story of how it was built.